the island group of India. India has two groups of islands lying in the Bay of Bengal and in the Arabian Sea. The Lakshadweep Island is in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman Nicobar Island is in the Bay of Bengal. As the union territories of country, they are richly diverse part of the Indian Union. The Lakshadweep Island form a group of small coral islands. None of these islands is more than a couple of square kilometers in area. The southernmost island is very close to the Maldives. It is our island neighbor in the south. These islands lie about 300 kilometers of the west to the Kerala coast. There are a group of 36 islands, formerly known as Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindive Island. They are renamed Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep means 100,000 island in 1973. Thus, you know why the name of the island is Lakshadweep. That means Lakshadweep means 100,000 island. So we are easily understand that Lakshadweep Island having so many small island and then make a big island. These islands spread over 32 square kilometers, not thousand, only 32 square kilometers. They form the India tiniest union territory in terms of area and population. The islands are known for their great diversity in terms of flora and fauna. They have a bird sanctuary also. Kavaratri Island is the headquarters of the Lakshadweep. The islands are covered with wide sand deposit. The region experiences equatorial climate because it is near to the equator. Now we are talking about Andaman and Nicobar Island. This island lies in the Bay of Bengal. Near about 200 island it consists of, spread over an area of 350 square kilometer. So all you can compare the area of the Lakshadweep only 32 square kilometer, where the Andaman Nicobar Island is 350 square kilometer. Nicobar group consists of 19 islands. These islands are fairly large and more numerous in the Lakshadweep. India's only active volcano is on Varun Island in Andaman. Andaman and Nicobar Island are strewn like beads over the blue water of the Bay of Bengal. They form a lush green, densely forest and picturesque archipelago. The incredible depth of the sea makes the color of the water surrounding the island look blackish. The Indra Point has drawn in the recent tsunami disaster 2004. It is a few degrees away from the equator. Hence, the region experiences equatorial climate and is rich in the forest and natural wealth. In your English book, you know about the tsunami of 2004. During that time, the Indira Point, which is known as the last point of the India, was drowned, sinked. Understood? They are sinked. वो डूब चुका था और अभी भी डूबा हुआ ही है, submerged. We are talking about the some important mountain pass and some plateau, desert area and passes on the next video, which is an exercise.